Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make an overlay in InShot app. So for example, I'm going to add this photo to edit, and then I'm going to add overlay. How to just click sticker and select gallery icon. You can add from camera roll or your files. For example, I'm just from camera rolls and click the image, and you can adjust for position and size like this, and then you can click pencil icon to edit and click edit, and then you can just for opacity like this. Just example. So as you like, that's how to make an overlay in InShot apps. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe, and you can click thanks button for appreciation. Bye bye.